Hey everybody, I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be making double chocolate chip cookies. This is basically a chocolate cookie with chocolate chips. So let's get to it. First, mix together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 a cup of cocoa, 3/4 a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Now in an electric mixer, mix together half a cup of butter, half a cup of shortening, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1½ cups of granulated sugar. Under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you, then I'll ask what have we. Now gradually add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients, mixing after each addition. Now gently add 1 12-ounce package of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now you're going to place them on an ungreased baking sheet. Bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Let them cool on a wired rack before enjoying your amazing cookies.